Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can decrease or increase the keyboard font size on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and tap on General Management. Next, we go down and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Font Size. Now in here you can tap on the minus button or the plus button to decrease the size of your keyboard font. Now you can see here on the keyboard every button has a character. If I tap on the plus button to make it bigger, you can see the font will be slightly bigger and bolder when I move the selection to the right. If I decrease the size, so tap on the minus button, you can see the font will decreases. And that is how you can make it smaller or larger, changing the font size on your keyboard buttons. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.